Good morning, children. How are you? I am Naveen sir, your maths teacher of Kagatiya Public School. Yesterday we discussed 3D objects: cylinder, cone, sphere. Today we will discuss prism and pyramid about regular polygons. Polygons. The definition of polygon is a simple closed figure formed by with at least three line segments. Three number of line segment is called as a polygon. The polygon is nothing but a simple closed figure with at least by three line segments is called polygon. So these polygons are many types: triangle, square, and like a quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are classified into parallelogram, rectangle, like that. If a polygon has three sides, we call as a triangle. If a polygon has four sides, we call as a rectangle. If a polygon has five sides, it is called as a pentagon. Look at the picture. These are the polygons. These are the polygons. Three sides. A triangle has three sides. A polygon has three sides, is called as a triangle. A polygon has four sides, is called as a quadrilateral, as a square, rectangle, parallelogram, like this. If a polygon has five sides, it is called as a pentagon. If a polygon has six sides, hexagon. Seven sides, heptagon. 8 sides, octagon. 9 sides, nonagon. 10 sides, decagon. So here, number of sides and name of polygon. If a polygon has three sides, then it is called as a triangle. If a polygon has four sides, then we will call as a quadrilateral. And if a polygon has five sides, it is as a pentagon. And a polygon has six sides, hexagon. Seven sides, heptagon. 8 sides, octagon. 9 sides, nonagon. 10 sides, decagon. Decagon. So a polygon is nothing but a simple closed figure formed by at least three line segment is called polygon. The polygons are many types based on the sides. If a polygon three sides, it is called as a triangle. Four sides, quadrilateral. Five sides, pentagon. Six sides, hexagon. Seven sides, heptagon. 8 sides, octagon. 9 sides, nonagon. 10 sides, decagon. Next, regular polygon. Regular polygon. The definition of regular polygon: in a polygon, all sides and angles are equal. Then the polygon is called as a regular polygon. In a polygon, all sides and all angles are equal. Then the polygon is called as a regular polygon. Examples are equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle and square. Both are equilateral triangle or both are regular polygon. Nothing but all sides are equal and all angles are equal. In square, in equilateral triangle, all angles and all sides are equal. Then such type of polygons are called regular polygons. Look at that. Look at the pictures. They are the examples of a regular polygon. Equilateral triangle and square. Here also I drawn equilateral triangle and square. Both are examples of a regular polygon. Similarly, in pentagon, if all sides and angles are equal, for suppose this is a pentagon. Like this. All sides, if all sides in a pentagon, all sides and all angles are equal. If all sides and all angles are equal in a pentagon, then the pentagon is called as a regular pentagon. Similarly, regular hexagon, regular octagon, regular heptagon, regular nonagon, regular decagon. In a polygon, if all sides and angles are equal, then it is called as a regular polygon. Let us discuss about the prism. The definition of prism is a solid object with two parallel or congruent faces and lateral faces are rectangles or parallelogram is called a prism. So one more time, a solid object with two parallel or congruent polygonal faces and lateral faces are as rectangles or parallelograms is called a prism. So look at this solid shape. What is this name? Triangular prism. So look at here. This triangular prism has a polygon shape is triangular shape. Triangular shape. These two are congruent. These two faces are congruent with two congruent faces and lateral faces are rectangles. See, look at here. These are the rectangles. These are the rectangles. Such type of figures are called prisms. If this solid shape has a polygon shape is what a triangle shape, then we name as a triangular prism. So triangular prism. Triangular prism. First of all, look at the pictures. These are the examples of prism. Square prism. The two faces are polygon faces are square faces and remaining lateral faces are rectangular faces. And same is triangular prism. Look at the picture of triangular prism. Yes, the two polygon faces are triangular faces and remaining lateral faces are rectangles. And one more, pentagonal. If a polygon has 5 sides, then it is called as a pentagon. So pentagonal prism. The two parallel faces are pentagons and remaining lateral faces are parallelograms and rectangles. Now triangular prism. In triangular prism, the two congruent faces are triangular faces. So two congruent faces are triangular faces. Triangular faces and lateral faces, lateral faces are rectangular faces. Lateral faces are rectangular faces. Now we will find out about how many faces, how many vertices, how many edges. Faces. Now let us count the faces. This is one triangular face and this is one triangular face. So these two congruent faces are, how many triangular congruent faces are? 2. These two faces. And lateral faces, let us count the lateral faces. 1, 2 and this back side 3. So lateral faces are 3 and congruent faces are 2. Total how many? 5 faces. Total how many? 5 faces. Next, edges. Let us count the edges. See here 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Here 3 sides and here also 3 sides. So congruent faces 2, then 3, 6 sides, and lateral faces how many sides we have to count out? 1, 2, 3. So here 3, and here also 3. Total 9 edges. Next, vertices, nothing but corners. Vertices. Let us count the corners of this triangular prism. Here, see, look at here. 1 corners. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 corners. And 1, 2, 3. Here 3 corners are there, and here also 3 corners are. Moreover, any corner here? No. So total 6 corners, nothing but 6 vertices. So a triangular prism has 2 congruent faces. They are triangular faces, and lateral faces are rectangular faces. And this triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Pyramid. The definition of a pyramid is a solid object. Base is a polygon, and its lateral faces are in triangular faces. So here the pyramid of the definition of pyramid is the base. A solid object is a base is a polygon. The solid object base is a polygon, and lateral faces are triangular faces. So look at this solid object. Yes. What is the name of this solid object? Square pyramid. Why? Because look at this base. Base is in which shape? Yes, it is a polygon. How many sides? 4 sides. 4 sides are equal. Then it is called as this polygon. Base is a polygon is called as a square. So base is a square. Then we named as a square pyramid. So a solid object, base is a polygon, and lateral faces are triangular faces. Look at here. These are triangular faces or not? All are triangular faces. Is called pyramid. Now let us discuss a square pyramid. Square pyramid. Base is in which shape? Square shape. So base is a square face, and lateral faces are triangular faces. Lateral faces are triangular faces. Lateral faces are triangular faces. Now look at that pictures. What are they? Yes, square pyramid and rectangular pyramid and triangular pyramid. See, base is a triangular shape. Then we call as a triangular pyramid. If base is rectangular shape, we call it as a rectangular pyramid. Base is a square shape, then we call as a square pyramid. So now look at this square pyramid. Now we will identify the how many faces, vertices, edges. Faces. Base is a square face. Yes or not? This is one face. And now we have to remember the lateral faces. See, front, back 2 and sides 2. So total how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here lateral faces are 4 and base is 1. Total how many faces? 5 faces. So it has a 5 faces. Now edges. So look at here. Edges. Down 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. And now count here. Here also. 1, 2, this 2, this side 3 and 4. Down 4 and lateral also 4. Total how many edges? 8 edges. 8 edges. Now vertices. Nothing but corners. Here topmost one vertex, and here down we have to count the vertices. Corners 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 and here what? One more 5. So here 4 plus 1 5. So total how many vertices are there? 5 vertices are there. So a square pyramid has base is a square face and lateral faces are triangular faces. How many faces? 5 faces. How many edges? 8 edges. Vertices are 5 vertices. Here, let me draw the one more triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid nothing but base is in shape of triangle. Now lateral faces are triangular like this. This is called as a triangular pyramid. Base is in triangular shape and lateral faces are triangular faces. This triangular pyramid is also called as a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron. We call as a tetrahedron. So tetra means 4 faces. Tetra means what? 4 faces. It has 4 faces. It is called as a tetra. Nothing but if the pyramid polygon shape is in triangular shape, then it is called as a triangular pyramid or tetrahedron. Tetra means what? 4 faces. Worksheet on 3D 2D shapes. First one, define prism with examples. Write the definition of prism and write the examples. And here second one, define pyramid with examples. Same, write the definition of pyramid and give some examples. And third one, find the number of faces, edges and vertices for rectangular prism. For rectangular prism, you should write the faces, edges and vertices. Now fourth one, find the number of faces, edges and vertices for triangular pyramid. For triangular pyramid, you should write the faces, edges and vertices. Thank you.